have a problem. 1984 Ford F150 four-wheel drive, 5-liter motor. We thought the fuel pump was bad, so we replaced the fuel pump. It's got a new fuel pump in there, which is right there. Still won't start, and then this little thing started smoking. Starter solenoid. This little one was the one that started smoking on it, I think. So we replaced that, and thinking that was the original problem and why it died in the first place. And that didn't fix it. It still just cranks and cranks and cranks. No matter how much pumpage or anything you give it, it won't start. So I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with this. And is this supposed to get warm while you're cranking it? That's one of my questions. It's this, you know, the positive side. I'm pretty sure it does because it has power running through it, but just curious about that. And now with that replaced and a new fuel pump in it, why won't she start? Let's do a quick little demo on what it's doing. Give it some pumpage. Turn the key forward. Hold it down about halfway and crank it. Nothing. Maybe give it a little more. And some other old Fords I've had in the past, if you start off to the floor and slowly work your way up while it's cranking, it'll start. And this one did do that a couple times. It did start, but now after it really died, it wouldn't. Try it again. Nothing. Damn it. She does run pretty smooth when she's running. We've got gasoline, got a fully charged battery, and it's just not starting. So what do I do? Need advice. Need to know how to get this thing running. Can you help me out? Can anybody help me out? I'd appreciate it. Thank you. And that's the sad old dilapidated fuel pump that we removed, just so that you guys can see what one of those looks like.